Hello everyone, I'm making vegetable meat pizza today. First mix the dough, 250 grams of flour, 140 grams of warm water, 2 grams of salt, 3 grams of sugar, 3 grams of dry yeast. Make a medium hard dough. Grease it, and let the dough rise. While waiting for the dough, do all the other preparations. First adjust the pizza sauce. Garlic, tomato sauce, salt, black pepper, basil, olive oil, apple cider vinegar. If you don't like to eat sour, you can leave it alone, mix well and set aside. Dice onions and tomatoes for later use. Shred green peppers, shred red peppers, slice mushrooms. Add salt, black pepper, olive oil and mix well. Bake in the oven at 350 F for 8 minutes. Let cool, squeeze out the moisture and set aside. Take a look at the ingredients for pizza. The chicken has been fried and the spinach has been cooked and squeezed dry. A piece of pizza with 4 bowls of dishes. This is what the homemade pizza should look like. The dough are doubled in size and made into a pizza bread. The second fermenting is 30 minutes, and the holes are punched to prevent the pizza from bulging. Spread the pizza sauce. Sprinkle a layer of cheese. Then layer the cooked chicken pieces, green and red pepper shreds, mushrooms, spinach. Another layer of cheese. When sprinkling the cheese, use your left hand to block it and try to hold it. Try to sprinkle to the edge. Sprinkle with chopped red onion and tomatoes for garnish. The finished pizza should be fermented for the third time, about 15 minutes. Turn the oven to the bake position, that is, turn on the bottom fire, preheat at 350 F for 15 minutes, put the pizza in the oven after preheating, and bake at the same temperature for 15 minutes. After the pizza is baked, because it is too hot, it needs to be rest before it can be eaten. It takes about 6 minutes. Alright, this video is here. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.